This contemporary full brick home with a basement boasts 2 bedroom and 1 bath on the main floor. It features an open floor plan that seamlessly combines the kitchen, dining area, and living room, complete with a wood-burning fireplace. Access to the basement is through a spiral staircase inside the home, and there's also a convenient walkout slider to the outside. The basement level is divided into 4 distinct spaces. The main living area is accompanied by a second fireplace, and separate storage area for your convenience. Additionally, there's a half bedroom with the potential to add a shower, as well as another storage area that was previously used as a bedroom. This property offers ample potential for you to infuse your unique style and personal touches to make it your own. The backyard is partially fenced and features a newer back deck, as well as 2 storage buildings. The lot size is approximately